This is the uniqueness of our King, that even to the point of death, His words and actions are but self-giving. As we close this liturgical year, the Church invites us to look to the cross and see there our King, a King who does not rule by might, but by mercy, not by swords, but by self-giving love. Brothers and sisters, if we are claiming that Jesus is truly our King, let us allow Him to continue to reign in us. Let us renew our loyalty and commitment to Him by persevering to imitate Him and His ways. With faith, hope, and trust in Him, may we also hear Him one day telling us, "Truly I tell you, today you will be with me in paradise."